I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate sandwich. It's the poached brisket sandwich, and it's absolutely incredible. Stay with me. It's really awesome to have you stop by the channel. I'm Mike, and you're at Delmarva Backyard. If you haven't been here before, please hit the subscribe button down below, and you can stay in touch with all the videos I'm doing on awesome food, specifically a lot of barbecue, beer, and product reviews. Today I'm gonna be doing an awesome poached brisket sandwich. We're gonna take a poached egg, we're gonna put it on some brisket that I smoked, then we're gonna put it on some wet cornbread, and then we're gonna put a Hollandaise sauce on top of it all. Links to all of these things separately will be in the video. Okay, so it all starts with the wet cornbread. This is the base of the recipe we're gonna make. It's Krusty's honey cornbread. The recipe on the box calls for 1 egg. I use 2 eggs. And that's gonna give us a little more richness. I'm gonna whisk those eggs together real quick. Here's the major change in this recipe, and that's the oil. The box calls for a 1/3 cup vegetable oil. But we're only gonna put a half of that in. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons or 1/8 cup of oil in. I'm gonna whisk that together real quick. And now the game changer. This is what really makes this come together. And it's the butter. It's a 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter. With 1 can of cream style sweet corn, and we're going to dump that in. And like I said, link to that will be up above. And we start with some smoked brisket. This is the smoked Wagyu. I'll put that video up above. All right, so here's our brisket. It's been in the refrigerator for, I don't know, 9-10 hours. And it's time. The grills are coming up to temp. I want this brisket to come up to room temperature, and that's going to take about 45 minutes or so. Poached egg. Put that there. Okay, that's our timer, so it's time to take our eggs out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this spoon in here. I'm gonna dump the egg out on the spoon. We're gonna dribble it with the Hollandaise sauce. Poached egg link will be up above. We did that in the sous vide. Hollandaise sauce, link will be up above. A touch of lemon juice. And now we're gonna whisk this together. You have to do it slow. Salt. and pepper. That's it, guys. Backyard poached brisket. I really appreciate you sticking around to watch the whole video. Check out these other videos over here. You may very well be interested in those also. The inspiration behind the videos is your feedback. And the best way to give me your feedback is to hit the like button down below. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button down below. And you can also leave comments. I can't wait to see you next time.